name is Tanish. The title of the story, Two Silly Goats. Once upon a time, there were two silly goats. They wanted to cross a narrow bridge. One goat was on one side, another goat was on another side of the bridge. They came to the middle of the bridge and could not pass each other. Both of them wanted to be the first to cross. They began to fight. Meh, meh, meh. As a result of the fight, they fell into the water and drowned. Moral of the story: foolish is always punished. Thank you.